The issue about Michael Olise, it is because he has a very terrible left back. He's a good player.
Okay. Carreras.
He was terrible yesterday. He was the worst player for the team. Worst. Or Yuzunu Kavavani, that's not Madrid. You lose. So, look, if you had Marcelo there, you think you would have done that, what he was doing? So, we can't the standard of Madrid. So, Marcelo never left back. Would have had an opportunity. And I said Sergio Ramos. If Sergio Ramos, because you always go there support. If Sergio Ramos or Varane or Pepe and Danny Cavani, that back four they had. I mean, so that's see, that is their standard. Team Biano so here almost standard, and then I said dear my baby or no Matia Buffett. So yes, Olise is good, but he had a very terrible left back, and so Wama ni good performance, not exceptional, not because he's not exceptional, but he's a good player. Olise is not an exceptional player. He's a good player. Only an exceptional player. But the modern ball of the player here yesterday, look, he made Omar Kara looking useless, like a liability.
This
is a one ball.
Your opponent,
of course.
Any time you play.
Yes, some like that, but we will and found Nipano. I mean, Jerome Boateng is a brilliant defender for both the national team. Only a Messi. And yes, on Yadio, a Nipana, Sebi, or Yadia Bruce, or Shano. So those things are there. Now, you're about to another game. First of all, my uncle Vincent Company, we're about 100 games. 76 wins, that is remarkable. I mean, only 11 defeats, 13 draw. That's remarkable for him. From Anderlecht to Burnley. If I Burnley by minute, no, I say who free her call Canada, who use a pool. Manono Assembly can be over the last 2 decades. There's no goalkeeper in club level anywhere near him. So let's put that as I know any subject for discussion. See, and no any subject for discussion. Wait, and he did 3 sweeps. And 3 sweeps on 3 occasions. Ordinary body, Ebejibo, backward 9, and a backward in the T. As a sweeper and sweeping Kaiser Mune masters of sweeping and Bakemba by a minute. So I'm saying that or no goalkeeping crowd memo baho. Or you save be a hooper. The Mbappe save, the Jude Bellingham pass to Mbappe, 66th minute. And no now you see your world class goalkeeper. And no now you see keeper your world class. That and no a top of the drawer. And no yentanye. That's why it's top of the drawer. Yentanye. Who by no more the man who said or your goalkeeper. And or your top reflexive, we see 2 decades, nobody. He has everything in goalkeeping. And he proved that yesterday. Vinicius had 3 opportunities, Mbappe had 3. And those opportunities now, apart from near Diot Upamecano header now, or the man now, Vinicius pounce here always you see, that is the point. In those crucial moments, you need calmness, composure. Obi heady boy Mr. Abeto nice. Now they are Dijuma. We want Ronaldo we want Messi, and that is why these 2 players will never be the same because of the caliber of players they are and what they are capable of doing the opportunity. So, I know I must say, sir, Bayern did well, but listen, there are Manonoya to thank for. Diot Upamecano is not a good centre back. I've said this several years. I've said it. And now Bomufem Papa. Madrid and Anya Madrid in here. Or Bomufem Papa. Or your mistakes, baby. That Madrid punish a lot. I don't know why Kim in Jai, because you see the coach himself is a solid centre back. What do you say? When no ball and Nancy and the defending.